I'm at Klipriviersberg Nature Reserve. We're hiking here today with my friends. It's just after 7. We were supposed to start at 7. You know the drill, right? I don't know how great this one will be. The best part about this place is that it's free entrance. So if you live around the Mall of the South, you have no reason not to come and work those legs and just enjoy the fresh air. It's already packed. I'll show you when I get out of the car. It's already packed here because people normally like doing this thing early in the morning on Saturdays. Because if you come here after 10, you'll see that there are people already done. Others are just chilling by the picnic area. I don't know if it's called the picnic area, and eating. So today I got here a little bit early, so hopefully we'll finish before it gets too hot. Hey! Hey! Must do this. Alrighty. I don't know. We didn't pick a what? A trail. So we're just winging it. But we don't want to do a very long one because the aim is just to walk like 3 kilometers. Yes, after the week I had last week, 3 it's fine. Oh baby, you are mine. But someone Zebras.
Yes, their present is blue.
Yeah, you can't make it one now.
We're under the tree.
Yep. You can't tell me. You wait, you. When a man.
how's that?
I got your rallies, chap. It's a when a man. gets better. Yep, waiting. Waiting. Hey.
Go. Yay. I feel like we're the ones who are going right there. Yay. Sure.
Not another tale of me being lost. Okay, I can explain. The trails here, they're half-halves, so you have to combine them. And when one ends, you just have to choose one. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of where we really got lost, but we had taken the wildlife, the 4 point something, after taking the other, because we started with the Tswana loop, and then we joined the red thing, and then we joined the wildlife. And then where the wildlife was ending, we didn't know what's supposed to happen. So the other group took left, we took right. We don't see the end near. So Sabon.
Oh, guys, here's a map. No, here's the map. Let's see. We have to go this side. Let's see, my sister. Go to Bana. Go. Bacon, what you keep on? Bacon, trail, down, no, man. We are here. Check down there. What's in Mama? Orange trail, right?
Yeah.
It's orange here, so we have to go like this. And so,
The orange hill.
yes.
It's 1 point.
It's 1
5.
point. Then when we have a little more here,
We're gonna take a brown. When we reach where it's gonna end the orange one, we're gonna take a brown, follow it down to the red. Look at it, guys. Let's all make it make sense. So we all agree. Bacon. Check the bacon. Bacon is long.
bacon it go tsamisa tje.
Go kae no?
You are here. Eh, re tsamaye tje.
The gag of this whole hiking experience is that we ended up doing 15,6 instead of the 5 that we had initially said it's our max. The main reason is that we didn't sit and actually plan the trails we're going to take, as indicated that they have like, no, I don't want to say they're not full on routes or trail, but all of them, where it starts, it does not necessarily mean that you will end up at the entrance. So we ended up joining little loops here and there, and before we knew it, we were just tired and going and not knowing where we were going. But all in all, it was a fun exercise, good fresh air, and it wasn't really that badly hot. If these kind of videos are your vibe, please do join the community and subscribe. If you did enjoy this one, give it a massive thumbs up. See you in the next one. Love ya. It's literally me dying on this trail.